Figure 5-43 on page 131 of the mechanical drawing textbook. You should be able to get to this point. We're only drawing two views from this problem, a top view and a front view. Notice I have them spaced 1 inch apart. I don't need this square anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Down the bottom, I'm going to complete the front view, and I'm going to go ahead and explode my front view. It was a rectangle. Now I've got it in the lines. I'm going to choose my center point and the midpoint, and I'm going to make sure I have a midpoint right here. This is where my circle 1 inch radius is going to be. So I'm going to draw a circle from here with a radius of 1, and I'm going to go ahead and trim away what I don't need. Also, I'm going to offset. If you notice, the distance A is 3 inches. So if A is 3 inches, that means I have 1.5 inches on either side of A. So the distance, total distance being 6 inches wide. So I'm going to go ahead and offset. Distance of 1.5. I'm going to offset this line and this line. Alright, and I'm also going to offset a distance of 1/2 inch. The base is 1/2 inch. 0.5. I'll make this base, and now I simply use the trim tool to finish up what I'm doing. I'm going to need a center line for this circle on both the front and top views, so I'm going to go ahead and create myself, if you haven't already done so, a center line layer. All center line layers are green in color, and they use center 2 line type. I'm also going to draw a center line on this midpoint to that center point. I'm also going to need it, project it up here. Don't need that one. All center lines should extend past the object, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to turn off OSnap, and I'm just going to grab these blue handles. I'm going to pull them about 1/16 of an inch past that object. That's the correct convention for center lines. I'm going to do the same thing here. There we go. Alright. I'm going to finish up my front view. I'm going to project my lines up. Turn OSnap back on. I'm going to see that edge. And these two edges. And that's it. Figure 5-43, the cradle, should look very similar to what I have on my drawing here. That's the completed view. Don't forget your center line. Change the description to cradle, name, correct date, 1 = 1 scale, and your high school.